Hello, Lookout fam. It's your girl Lolo, and today I'm with my Aunt Janice. We are in New Bern, North Carolina at the Dollar Tree on Martin Luther King Drive. Let's see what we can find today. Now, the makeup area was pretty small. I did spot some nails,
Hey.
but this area right here, the beauty section, oh, they had a lot of items I was on the lookout for, such as this right here. This is the Brazil Orchid. This is the exfoliating sugar scrub. I did grab this. Now I spotted some more body scrubs here. I did not purchase any of these today, but these look very promising. They have the Hydro Plus and also spotted this natural honey body mask. This is an in-shower body mask you use while you're in the shower and you rinse it off. Let's see what else we can find here. They do have more of the eco dupes in the pistachio paradise. Let's see what else. I spotted some more of this orchid soothing body polish here. This location was stock full of a lot of skincare products that we've seen before, and they had a lot of these signs: do not open any products. They had them throughout the whole area, which I don't blame them for doing that.
Ooh, what
Oh,
is
what is this?
this?
This is by Spa Luxury right here. Let me actually get all these bottles up here so we can get a closer look at them. They have it in Morning Cloud, Fragrance Mist, Floral Velvet, Warm Vanilla, and Island Mist. Now, I did open the warm vanilla and spray it, but I did purchase this as well. So I was definitely excited to see this product line here. And also spotted more of the Be Pure Hair and Body Mist in the Cocoa Splash, Tropic Vanilla, and the Peach Breeze. And I was really excited to find this. This is the Amber Glow Sweet Lemon. This is the hand and body lotion. Now, I was looking for this in other stores. I'm actually looking to see if I see the other items that go along with it, and I don't see it. But I am glad that I was able to pick this one up. I really like the smell of this one. Now, I'm stacking myself over here because I don't have a cart. My aunt is actually going to get me one. Now, I did also spot something new by Axe. This is a pocket spray with 250 sprays in the scent of Phoenix. Now, my aunt spotted something that I have been on the lookout
Love
for. Now, this
pink.
is the
This
Be
is my
Pure
favorite color.
Portable Soap
Would you
Sheet.
like the blue or the
Yeah,
purple?
let me grab that purple. Purple, my favorite
Oh,
color.
yes. Nice. Okay.
Now, I
What
have been
would
on
you
the
like?
lookout for more
Let me see.
magnesium spray. So, this is by
Okay.
Armory. This is a 3 fluid ounce bottle of magnesium
Okay, let me
spray.
grab it.
And this magnesium spray is great if you're going through menopause. It aids in muscle relaxation,
Got
it
pictures.
helps relieve stress, and it can act as a natural
I know,
deodorant as
girl. I
well. So, this
posted
was a
something about
great
some
find for
magnesium.
$1.25. Now, this is by Natural Sense. This is a moisture surge conditioner. This is for $1.25. And also spotted this. This is by Pacifica. This is a vegan silk Hydro Luxe conditioner for dry and damaged hair.
I have been
And I
on the
have also
lookout
been
for
on the lookout
these
for these
combs
comb
right
sets.
here.
This is by J Bay. You get two
The comb
twist
and twist
combs with
set.
this set. And these are $1.25. So I did have to grab one pink one and one black one. So excited to find these. Now I'm just looking to see what else I can spot over in this area that's new. I did spot these finally. These are the Biter Scrubs by Spa Luxury and Cabana Kiwi, Tropical
I'm
Coconut,
wish I
and
did video
Pineapple
longer enough.
Sunset. Now, this is it for my Dollar Tree walkthrough. Thank you so much for joining me and my aunt
Yes.
as we tour the Dollar Tree. Now, I just want to show you some of the items that I did purchase. Like I said, I got two of the combs here. I got 3 bottles of the magnesium spray for me and some friends of mine. I also purchase these eyebrow pencils here. I did get the Brazilian Orchard scrub. Now these Evos are on sale for $1. Don't know how long, but the cashier told me they was on sale for $1. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the lookout. Bye.